Hello everyone, welcome back to my Python tutorial. In this video we will learn about how to manipulate string from YouTube live chat. I have three examples of string format. The first is separated by underscore. The second is separated by hashtag, which started by hashtag. The third is the string having unique formats which have n colon, e colon, and p colon. Let's start from the first format. Just comment our previous code. This is very simple code. Text1 dot split by underscore. Don't forget to print. Split is used for changing string into a list which separated by any characters. So as you can see, this is a string and the output will be a list. Okay. This method is same with the second format, but there is a little bit difference. As you can see, in the zero index we get the empty string. We don't want to use it, so we want to remove it. We just start our list from first index until the last of the list. Okay. The empty string is removed from our list. So now go to the last format. In the last format, we have to import a library for string manipulation named Regex. Import Reg. In Regex, we have to call search methods for searching a substring between substring, and then we assign a return value into a variable. So search. It has three parameters. The first parameter is pattern. If you don't even know about patterns, you can see the documentation link in the description below. And the second is your string. The third is flag. Flag means that your string is uppercase, lowercase, or ignore case. For example, I want to get a string between n colon and e colon. So the pattern is like this. Second is your string, text3, and then ignore case. I don't care the text is uppercase or lowercase, so I use ignore case. Let's print the result. You can see the output will be a class, but we want to use it. We will only get the name until comma. So result dot group 1. Okay, Okay, we have got the string between n colon and e colon. So if we want to get the between e colon and p colon, we can change this pattern. Okay, we get the email. And now just uncomment our code. And then we're looking for YouTube live streaming channels. For example, I want to choose e-news live streaming. Pause the video. And copy the video ID into our code. Here is the code because I just want to manipulate the string from the message. So make a new variable message c dot message. I want to test the second format. So if message dot count hashtag is greater than 0, then print message dot split tag. Okay, if the message contain hashtag, then print our code. Just run our program and see what's going on. Just copy the second format into live chat, then enter. Okay, it will print the string which contain hashtag. So we test the first format. It will not print the list because we just want to get the string that contain hashtag. So now I want to test the last format. If message dot count p n is greater than 0, and count e colon is greater than 0, and p colon is greater than 0. So result dot search, just comment this, dot search, we get only name, so we change the variable to name, search, and colon message dot hypercase print name dot group 1. Okay, just pause our program and then run our program. Oh, I'm sorry. We get the error. Okay, just run our program again. And we test the last format and put it into live chat. Okay, it will print name. For example, I want to remove this. Let's see the output. It will not print anything. So let's kill our program. For example, I want to remove the comma from the text. To remove comma, you can use dot replace comma to empty string. Then run our program again. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoy this. If you have any question, just comment in the column comment below. Thank you guys. See you on the next video.